some choose to move fast, some choose to slow down. And today, I am Haika. I want to explore how lifestyle choice shape our daily life. Hello.
Hi.
Okay, so we're going to have a short conversation. But before the conversation starts, you can introduce yourself.
Okay, hello everyone. Nice to meet you. I am Bian Abigail Reylo, or Bian for my nickname. I'm from 11th grade, specifically 11-1, if you know. Yeah.
Okay, so can we start with the question?
Yes, please.
Okay, the first question. Do you consider yourself as a fast-paced person or a slow-living person?
Because of our academic background, I usually consider myself as a fast-paced person. So I usually would actually prefer being called a fast-paced person.
Okay, the next question. What are the advantages and disadvantages of that lifestyle that you choose?
Fast-paced is really good when you want to build something or chase something. So consider this, maybe you're in 12th grade and you're trying to chase maybe Universitas Indonesia. You have to apply that fast-paced living principles, because if you don't, you can't really reach Universitas Indonesia without chasing or hustling for something. So I think the advantages is, first is it really encourages us to make growth like a tree, and it's like growing like branches, right? But I also would tell you the disadvantages, which are it can really be easy to burn out, because fast-paced living is very fast, and when you burn all that fuel in one go, it can lead to severe burnout. I've experienced many times where I felt burned out, but so far my only solution is you have to mix between fast-paced and slow-paced living, just in case you don't really get too severe on the burnouts, but you also are still chasing for something.
Okay, Bian. Unfortunately, we're going to the last question. The question is, have you ever tried both lifestyles? If yes, what the differences did you notice?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Have you ever tried both lifestyles? If yes, what differences did you notice?
Okay, so going back to the tree analogy, trees are mainly consist of leaves, branches, and roots. When you go for fast-paced living, it consists of the branches and leaves that grow from the sun. But when you go for the slow-paced living, it consists of the roots. So how you apply or take the water or the knowledge you gain, it also determines the quality of the branches and leaves that you're gonna grow. So I think if we're speaking from experiences, both lifestyles are good, but depending on the context and your preferences, just manage it wisely on what or which lifestyle you want to take, depending on the context.
Okay, Bian, that's all the questions. Thank you for your time, Bian.
Thank you.
Hello, can you introduce yourself first?
My name is Leo.
Okay, so we're going to have a short interview. Are you ready? First question, do you consider yourself as a fast-paced person or a slow-living person, and why?
I'm more of a slow-living person because I don't like taking things too fast.
Okay, second, what are the advantages and disadvantages of that lifestyle that you choose?
I think the advantages is like you don't rush things. You take things slowly.
Okay, and the disadvantages?
I think it's kind of the same. It's like you don't have to like you don't have to you can't really focus on one stuff.
Okay. And the last question, have you ever tried both lifestyle? If yes, what differences did you notice? Okay, thank you. Hello, please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Fadal Rahman and I am a student.
Okay, so now we're going to have a short interview. Are you ready?
Yes, of course.
Okay, first, do you consider yourself as a fast-paced person or a slow-living person?
I consider myself a slow living person because I can more enjoy my life and I can reduce stress in my life.
Okay, the next questions. What are the advantages and disadvantages of your lifestyle choice?
The advantages are I can more enjoy my life and I can reduce my stress in my life.
Okay, and the disadvantages?
And the disadvantages are I can make a decision if needs fast and I can do things if it must be rushing.
Okay, the last question. Have you ever tried both lifestyles? If yes, what the differences did you notice?
Yes, I've tried both. The difference are the slow living pace make me more enjoy my life, can reduce stress in my life, and the fast pace make me stressful, make me cannot enjoy my life.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Yes.
Hello, please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Kai. I am junior high school student.
Okay, so now we're going to have a short interview. Are you ready?
Of course, ready.
Okay, first question. Do you consider yourself as a fast-paced person or a slow-living person?
I prefer a fast living person because in my own life I need to rush because the type of me is need to rush for do something.
Okay, next question. What are the advantages and disadvantages of the lifestyle that you choose?
The advantages is you can do many things with well prepared and no need a long time to do something. And for the disadvantages is you have to hard with yourself to achieve your goals and sometimes you will be tired.
Okay, the last question. Have you ever tried both lifestyles? If yes, tell me the differences that you notice.
No, because I'm too young.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. Today we're going to have a short conversation. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, but first of all, I'd like you to introduce yourself.
Okay. Hello, my name is Tommy Aditya. I am 35 years old this year. I am a math teacher in this school. I never teach Haika in classroom, but in this school I teach math.
Okay, so we're going to the questions. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, the first question. Do you consider yourself as a fast-paced person or a slow-living person?
Okay. I think I consider myself as a fast-paced person because every day in my life I usually teach 3 different section of teaching. I teach at school from the morning to the afternoon, and the afternoon I teach the extra class every afternoon in the school, and in the night I teach at a student home for private lesson.
Okay, the second question. What are the advantages and disadvantages of that lifestyle?
Okay, let's start with the disadvantages. Of course, sometimes if when there's many things to do, I feel tired and sometimes a little burnout. And I have very little time to do my own hobbies every day. But there are many advantages, of course, with fast-paced living. When I do what I do every day, I think I can achieve my goals in life much sooner than the one that I planned originally, financially and in life generally. So I think that is the advantage and disadvantage.
Okay, so you prepare everything so well, and I'm curious, how have you ever tried both lifestyles? If yes, what the difference that you feel?
Okay, both lifestyle, you mean slow living and fast pace?
Yes.
Honestly, I've never experience the slow living lifestyle because I do what I do from when I was in college. I was a full-time student, and in the afternoon after class, I teach a student from the afternoon to the night. Then it starts from when I was in college. So that habit, I continue my lifestyle from that when I was in college and when I become full-time teacher. So I've never really tried slow living, but now that you ask me, I think when I'm older and maybe when all my goals and my dreams are fulfilled, I achieve all my dreams and goals, maybe I would love to try slow living lifestyle.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you so much for your time, Mr.
Okay, thank you, Haika.
At the end of the day, everyone has their own rhythm, fast or slow, as long as it works for you. Thanks for being part of this conversation, guys. Bye!